Here's how to manage coupons on WooCommerce, whether you're running a sale or rewarding loyal customers. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, then go to Marketing, and then go to Coupons. Click Add Coupon to create a new one. You can either enter a custom code like Save10 or click Generate Coupon Code to get a random one. In the coupon data section, choose the discount type. Percentage discount, fixed card discount, or fixed product discount. Enter the discount amount, set expiry date, and add usage limit if needed. For example, limit to 1 use per customer. Under usage restrictions, you can set minimum spend, exclude sell items, or limit the coupon to specific products or categories. When you're done, hit publish to activate the coupon. To view or edit existing coupons, just return to the coupons list and click on any one to make changes. And that's it. You've now got full control over your WooCommerce coupon strategy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.